I've got an idea. Let's get out in the great outdoors. Friends, did you know these shelters were built by 5th graders right here at C.A. Frost last year? Nice job on your shelters. They protected a small animal or a figure, some kind of stuffed animal. This shelter could protect me. It was built to protect an organism like a human from wind, rain, and maybe from predators trying to look for a human too. So these are survival shelters designed and built by 5th graders from C.A. Frost last year. Hey, nice job on your shelters. Let's talk about how things are designed and built. Friends, check it out. Here's a spot that gets wet, especially in the springtime. Water flows right over this trail. So somebody at Blandford Nature Center designed and built this bridge. It's a human design to help solve a problem. Nobody gets their feet wet now. They just walk over the bridge. Hey, look, it's another bridge. I wonder if it's solving some kind of problem. Let's have a closer look. Oh yeah, Brandywine Creek is flowing right through here. See it? Brandywine Creek is flowing water. And if the bridge wasn't here, people would get their feet wet. So Blandford Nature Center years ago designed and built this bridge over beautiful Brandywine Creek. Look at the reflection of that tree in the creek. Wow, good thing this bridge is here. I can walk right across this without getting my feet wet. Nice job, Blandford Nature Center, for solving a problem by designing and building a structure. I wonder if you could do that. What? Is it a bridge? Is it an observation deck? I think it's both. This huge bridge at Millennium Park was designed and built by people so other people could enjoy nature. That is really cool. Do you think you could design and build something like that? Maybe you could. Think about it. Wow, that is a really cool design. Do you see the deck part that sticks out from the bridge? Look at how high above the water it is. I bet you can see for miles and miles from up there. Look at the way the posts are supporting the bridge. See those X's? That helps to make the structure stronger. Somebody really did a good job designing and building this big bridge at Millennium Park. You should come out here and check it out. Pretty cool. Let's take a walk on the huge Skywalk Bridge at Millennium Park. We are really up high. This is so cool. So here's a problem. There's a big river in Grand Rapids called the Grand River, and someone wanted to make a path going over the Grand River. So they built this big bridge to solve the problem. First, they designed it and made a sketch on paper and probably even made a little model of it. Then they built this big bridge to go all the way over the Grand River. Pretty cool, Millennium Park. Another bridge over a wetland at Millennium Park. There are lots of bridges like this. Wow, thank you to all the people that designed and built these bridges at Millennium Park so we can walk without getting our feet too wet. Cool. Hello, friends. Hey, isn't it cool to see structures and bridges and things that people build? You know, most of those things, people designed it on paper first. For instance, look at this stream going through my yard. Wait a minute, there's no stream there. Let me make one real quick. This is how you could make a stream that you're going to build a bridge across. Here's a piece of paper. Look, I'm taking a blue marker and I'm making one side blue. Now, watch what I do next. Now I'm folding this piece of paper. There's my stream. Here's your challenge, friends. Can you design on paper a diagram or a picture of a bridge that could go across this stream? So maybe an animal or a car could drive across the stream without getting wet, or a person could walk across the bridge. Take a piece of paper, make a design first. Draw a sketch of what you're going to build. Then, using any materials you can find in your house or outside, make the bridge. I've chosen to use sticks again. And these sticks could make a nice bridge across this stream. Look, I'm building a bridge. And this bridge is going to be strong enough that it can hold not a car, but maybe an animal, or maybe something like this. Maybe an Osage orange. Now the Osage orange can roll across the bridge without getting wet. Yay, the Osage orange is dry. It didn't have to fall in the water. Friends, this is a very simple bridge. Can you design and build a bridge to go over some water? The water could just be paper. Try it outside or indoors with materials you can find. Make a bridge. Awesome. Like a bridge over troubled waters. That's an old one. Friends, you may not have sticks in an outdoor place to build a bridge, but think about it. You could set something up in your house like I did on my kitchen table. Here's the problem. My stuffed animal wants to get over the water, but it can't make it over the water. It needs a bridge. Here's the water. I used books to be like the wood in my model outside. Now I'm going to sketch a design to help the animal get across that water. We're trying to solve a problem here. We're solving a problem by designing and building a bridge. I'll take some time now and I'll sketch out my design. Okay, friends, I sketched out a design and I found some things in my house that might work for a bridge. Let's try this. First of all, what if I just use a piece of paper? Is that going to work? Do you think a piece of paper is going to hold up my friend the lynx as it goes across the bridge? Let's try some other things. Friends, I don't want to give away any answers, but look at things you have in your house. I cut up some old cardboard boxes that were in recycle. I could try those. I've got some other things on my table that you could try. You can even fold paper in a special way to make it work like a bridge. Try it. Make a bridge, either outside or inside. Make your design on paper first, then try it out. I can't wait to see your animal or figure going across your bridge.